Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both Unity and Firebase. Open Unity, set scripting runtime to Net4, and switch to your target platform. This ensures compatibility. Then, in the Firebase console, create a project and register your Android package name or iOS bundle ID so Firebase can recognize your app. Once you add each app, download the Google services, JSON or Google Service Info, list, and place it into Assets. This links Unity with your Firebase project configuration immediately. Next, import only the Firebase Unity SDK packages you need to keep build size small. Common picks are Auth, Real-Time Database or Firestore, and Cloud Messaging. After import, run the External Dependency Manager for Android to resolve Play services. For iOS, ensure CocoaPods integration is set. In your startup script, call Firebase app. Check and fix dependencies async, then initialize Firebase app and any specific services. This guarantees correct runtime dependencies and prevents silent failures once your game starts running. Finally, implement the feature flows. Use async or callbacks for authentication, reads, and writes so you don't freeze the main thread. Once done, build and test on a real device with your configured credentials and enable Firebase debug logging to see detailed behavior. If something breaks, make sure the package name or bundle ID matches the console, the Google services. JSON or plist is in Assets, and check the External Dependency Manager and runtime logs to fix missing libraries or permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.